In the market for a 2010 Ford Falcon.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine.
Optimise your fuel economy with this vehicle.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, audio input for your iPod, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.